Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the ship information in day-to-day maritime business. Today's news is regarding one of the container ship lost many containers while sailing through the sea. Yes friend, the container ship APL England lost 40 containers in rough sea. Container ship APL England reported cargo loss early in the morning, May 24, some 14 nautical miles southeast of Sydney, after temporary power loss in rough weather. At least 40 containers went overboard, 74 were damaged. The ship was en route from Shanghai to Melbourne, ETA May 25. After the accident, she turned back and headed for Brisbane on May 25. Container ship APL England IMO 9218650 TWT 67987, capacity 55,000, 10 TEU, 2001, flag Singapore. If you like this information, do share, subscribe and comment to our videos. For more videos, please do comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.